you're now on the final steps. Hopefully you've had the opportunity to go through your personalized Lease End website and have a pretty good idea of what to expect. The first part of the process starts when you schedule a pre-inspection appointment with your BMW center to review any possible charges and discuss any repairs that your BMW center may be able to make prior to turn-in. This is also an exciting time for you to consider your next BMW purchase and learn more about the exciting loyalty programs we have for returning BMW Financial Services customers. After you've made all the repairs, you'll need to schedule an appointment with your BMW center. This is also a good time to contact the dedicated Lease End representative at BMW Financial Services to make them aware of your Lease End decision. If your decision is to return your lease on your Lease End maturity date, they will provide you with the documentation that you need to take to your BMW center. We believe in full disclosure at BMW Financial Services, so we want you to know that there will be a disposition fee assessed when you return your vehicle at Lease End. But if you decide to lease or finance your next BMW with BMW Financial Services, your disposition fee will be waived. Make sure you and your BMW Center representative sign the Vehicle Inspection Report, or VIR, because it serves both as your turn-in receipt and federal odometer statement. And please turn in both sets of keys, as well as all service records, the owner's manual, toolkit, and spare tire if applicable. Some states require surrendering your license plates. Contact your state's DMV to see if that's applicable to your vehicle. Lastly, please contact your BMW Financial Services Lease End representative at 1-800-959-4269 to make them aware that you have returned your BMW to your BMW center. And that's it. You're all finished. Again, we greatly appreciate you being a BMW Financial Services customer. We hope to see you behind the wheel of a new BMW, continuing to enjoy the thrill and excitement of the ultimate driving machine.